everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change your login password on OKX Wallet app. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. Start off by launching open the OKX application on your mobile device, or you can also open up a web browser and log into okx.com. Once you are logged into your main homepage, tap on the waffle menu at the top left hand corner, and then this will then open up this several interface on the display. Simply go ahead and tap on your email at the top of the screen, and from the options displayed on the next page, tap on Security. Now, click on the Security Center option and scroll down to Account Management. There, select the Change Login Password option and tap on it. Now, enter your current login password on the next page at the very top of the screen. After you are done typing in your current password, go to the next field where it says New Login Password and enter the new password you'd like to set for your account. Once you are done setting up a new password that meets these criteria at the bottom, confirm the new password by retyping it again. Now, once you are done entering the new password and confirming it, you'll then need to enter the verification code from your email. Tap on Send Code and wait for the code to arrive via your email inbox, and once you receive it, enter it inside the text field. Simply copy the verification code that you received and paste it in. After you do that, tap on this little square box at the bottom and tap on Confirm, and you have successfully changed a new password for OKX. Next time you log into your account, you'll need to enter the new password and log in. So that was how you can easily change to a new password on OKX Wallet app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.